guys, I've been doing this keto thing for a very long time now. And one of the things that helps me most stay on track is to be prepared. That means having easy keto breakfasts, quick snacks, and even some treats around to help me ward off temptation and not give in to my cravings. So today on All Day I Dream About Food, we're making my keto banana breakfast bars. Another great way to ward off cravings is to stay properly hydrated. And I like to do that with my favorite electrolyte drink, Element. Often when we're feeling hungry or we're craving something sweet, we're actually just thirsty. So it's very important to stay ahead of your thirst. Element helps you stay hydrated with no added sugar and the perfect balance of electrolytes. And because it tastes so great, you actually enjoy drinking it. My favorite flavor of Element is the raspberry, but I also love the watermelon. And not only does it help me conquer my cravings, but it helps me ward off sleeplessness, fatigue, and muscle cramps. Right now, Element is offering my subscribers a free sample pack with any order. That's 8 single-serving packets free with any Element order. This is a great way to try all 8 flavors or share Element with a salty friend. Get yours at drinkelement.com/dreamaboutfood. This deal is only available through my link. You must go to drinklment.com/dreamaboutfood. Now, I call these delicious and easy bars breakfast bars, but really they're anytime bars. They work as a quick breakfast, they work as a quick snack, they even work as a delicious dessert. So let's get started. These breakfast bars have a banana flavor and an oatmeal texture, but they don't contain any bananas or any oatmeal. Here's how we do it. First, we're going to take 3/4 of a cup of sliced almonds, and we're going to put it in a food processor. Then we're adding 3/4 cup of flaked coconut. And I have 1/2 cup of chia seeds. You can also use hemp seeds or flax seeds. Then we're going to process them until they resemble flakes of oats. That looks great. So now we're going to transfer our oat mixture to a large bowl, and we're going to add some other ingredients. We've got 1.5 cups of almond flour, 2/3 cup of swerve brown. I have 1/2 cup of collagen protein here, also known as collagen peptides. And the collagen helps bind the bars together, but it also gives them plenty of protein to keep you satisfied. And I've got 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we'll whisk all these dry ingredients together until they're well combined. Now we're going to add 1/2 cup of melted butter. I have 1 large egg. And now I'm going to add my banana flavor. I really like this banana extract from Olive Nation. There are a couple other brands as well. But you don't have to use banana extract. You can use really any extract you want. You could use just vanilla, you could use caramel. There's a lot of different flavors that you could use for these breakfast bars. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of banana extract and then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now I'm going to use a rubber spatula to really work everything together until it holds together nicely. Now, if you use chia seeds for your dough, you may need to add a little water because they're so absorbent. So I am adding about 1 tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons, so that my dough is a little looser. Now you can add some things like chopped nuts. I have 1/3 cup of chopped walnuts here, but you could easily do pecans instead. You can also add some sugar-free chocolate chips. I like to just put these on top at the end. Now we're ready to bake our banana bars. So I have a 9x9 inch metal pan, and I'm just going to transfer the dough right in there and press it in firmly. Last step, if you're using chocolate chips, just sprinkle them on top and gently press them in. And now our breakfast bars are ready for the oven. They go in at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. You want the edges to be set, but the middle will still be a little bit soft. Look what I've got. Yummy keto breakfast bars. They smell amazing. They've got melty chocolate chips on top, and I've let them cool for about 25 minutes. So I think we're ready to cut in. So let's see how we do. Nice and soft texture, kind of like a soft oatmeal bar. Still a little on the warm side, but look at that. Oh, that looks so good and it smells so good. Let's give it a try. Still warm. I love them that way. Oh my, that is wonderful. And that is definitely the kind of treat that will help me stay on track. For this easy keto recipe and so many more, please check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com.